Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Holualoa, local and long distance movers near me. Is Holualoa, Hawaii your home city? Do you intend to relocate both within or outside the state? If you answered yes to both of these questions, you should speak with the 3 Movers team. We are one of the best moving companies you can find in and around Holualoa and elsewhere. Consider the variety of problems you experience while relocating, like heightened stress levels, being continuously pressed for time, and the difficulty of packing and unpacking, to name a few. We are proud to be among the industry leaders in the entire state of Hawaii, striving for maintaining our performance on how we handle all key areas of the business with the best practices across the industry. For over a decade, professional movers at 3 Movers have been at your service in Holualoa, Hawaii for local moves. If you're wanting to relocate inside the state, please feel free to contact us so we can collaborate. Professionalism is our goal as your local movers. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Holualoa moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.